How to recover Roblox account without password or email. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can recover your Roblox account without using password or email. So let's get into it. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to enter in your username or your email or your phone number, and then add in your password, and then just simply click on forget password or username, right? So as you can see, you already have used email me a one-time code or use another device, so we're not going to be using that. So first things first, just simply going to add in my username or email. So right over here, we need to enter in our email address or our username. Instead, we need to use the phone number to reset the password. We'll add in our phone number and click on continue. And that will allow us to reset our password. And if that doesn't work, what you need to do is you need to click on help, and it will take you to the support center. And here you will have to, I need help with my account. Just simply click over here. And over here, you can just simply choose the problem that you are facing and then talk to your support team, and they will help you get your account back. So, and that is it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.